Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to clear cache on your account on Shein easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application, then click on your profile here, down below here, and then click on this settings section, and here as you see here you will find the clear cache on this list. So click delete all temporary images and to free up some space in your device. So click like this. So that's how to clear cache easy and quickly, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.